One of the things that comes up all the time when I'm working with clients is poor performers, just people not doing what owners, what managers need them to do, want them to do. And today I've got a quick story about how I learned a very valuable lesson early on when I hired this guy who we jokingly refer to as Mr. Incredible. So I'll tell you that story in just a second. In the meantime, if you don't know who I am, my name's Scott Miller. I'm the owner of TheGrowthLeague.com. And I'm making these videos and I'm coaching restoration folks all over the country because I'm passionate about helping them to get more profitable, helping them to reduce the chaos in their business, and helping them to build something sellable so that when they decide it's time to move on, they're ready and they've got a great financial exit. In the meantime, let's get back to Mr. Incredible. Did you ever have the experience where somebody shows up for an interview and you think, yes, this is great. This person is going to change things. This is the person that we've been looking for. And then something doesn't go right. Well, in this case, that's exactly what happened. This guy had it all. He was smart, he was funny, he had a great personality, he was strong. He just looked like the picture of confidence. So we put him on call. He takes the first emergency after hours phone call and he's asked the question from the third-party administrator, are you working with any felons? I'll spare you. If you're on TPAs, you've probably heard this statement that you have to affirm, right? So Mr. Incredible said, I have no idea. I know I'm not a felon, but I have no idea. I'm new here. I don't know who I'm working with. They could be felons. Don't have a clue. So they said thank you, hung up, and reassigned the claim. We lost a fire. So my initial reaction was I was mad. I was thinking to myself, how could this person not answer that question correctly? And it cost us a job. And then I thought again, as I often do. When things go wrong, I think, well, what part did I play in this? Well, clearly, there wasn't a very good onboarding process, right? We could have very easily prepared him to answer that question. The other thing is, are you setting clear expectations for team members? A lot of times people will say to me, my manager, or my technician, or my salesperson just isn't doing what I need them to do. And I always ask them some form of this question. Do they have clear expectations? Are there clear documented expectations, and are you holding them accountable? And are you giving them the tools that they need to develop, right? If you can't answer those questions with an absolutely yes, then maybe it's not the person, right? Maybe it is, but before you decide this isn't a good fit, I'm going to let them go and look for somebody else, ask yourself a question. Look yourself in the mirror and say, did I really set them up to succeed? If not, then next time you'll do better. It's all a learning game. We're all trying to get better every day. If you need any help with that, don't hesitate. Book a call with me. I'll talk to you soon.